Hey guys, today in Kiwanna's kitchen, I'm going to share with you all on how you can make homemade sandwich bread in a bread machine. Very simple, very easy. When I say this bread turned out perfect, which it does every single time, it turned out perfect. Just like that. So the first thing I did was start to add in all of my ingredients into my bread machine here, starting with the water first, okay? If you guys are interested in making this recipe, I will post all of the ingredients here on the screen for you guys to have. You guys got to excuse my voice. I've been a little under the weather lately, and I said, but I just know I had to get a video up, so here I am. So if you guys are interested in making this recipe, I will put all the ingredients here on the screen for you guys to have. Again, you don't necessarily need a bread machine to do this, but if you do make it without a bread machine, just make sure you knead the dough for about 5 minutes, okay? So you guys did see me adding in the yeast last. You want to remember to separate the salt and the yeast, because if the salt and the yeast touch, it's going to deactivate the yeast, okay? And you're going to end up with a flat bread. So now I'm just setting my machine here to the bread that I'm making. I am making a medium crust because I love the golden brown crust that I always get, and I am making a 2-pound loaf, okay? So you just want to make sure you set your machine to the size of the bread that you're making. And look at that crust, guys. It turns out perfect every single time. Like I said, I always set it to medium, and it always turns out perfect. So I'm drinking tea, okay, while I'm doing this voiceover, because again, I'm a little under the weather, but you guys gotta excuse me. But here is my bread here, guys, and do you see how perfect it is? So we're gonna let this cool a bit before I cut it open. And yeah, guys, my kids love this. We have fresh bread pretty much every other day, depending on how much I make or how much I freeze. But look at that, guys. Perfect. So I hope you guys like what you saw. Take care.